Hi Year 10 and welcome to our religious education lesson today. On the front page of our Google site you will see the agenda and the steps you need to complete today. Last lesson you selected a social justice issue and we set you the task of becoming an expert. You were given no instructions or framework to help you research. Some of you did really well and some found it challenging to know where to begin or what information to search for. Today we are going to give you a framework to use. This framework is called the See, Judge, Act Catholic Decision Making Model. Step 1 will be to learn about this model. Step 2 will be to complete a Google quiz to test your knowledge and understanding. And step 3 will be to apply the C section of the model to the research that you undertook last lesson. So step 1, you need to come up to the Project 3 tab, go to the Discover tab. When you click on this tab, you will see that there is information for you to read. When you see the stop sign, it will alert you to the specific instructions for the task. So here you can see it says read the information below which outlines the See, Judge and Act Catholic Decision Making Model. Complete the Google quiz at the bottom of the page to test your understanding. When you've completed that, come back to the home page. Step 3 will be to apply the C section to the information you researched last lesson. If I come back up to the tab and click on the arrow and I go to the C, here the stop sign alerts me to the specific requirements of this task. Apply the C questions to your social justice issue. The research you have already conducted will help with this. Your educator will send you a link to a Google Doc where you are to record your answers. This document will be monitored by your educator who will provide feedback. If I come down here, you'll see the C questions that you need to apply. Your educator will have sent you a link to a Google Doc. If I click on a test Google Doc, you will see here. And as we go below, you'll see the C and the specific questions that you need to answer. Your RE educator will be online for the session. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask.